Let's get to know Bethany, a native Californian who's made LeTourneau and Longview her home. She's a senior nursing major with a minor in psychology, so it's no surprise compassionate care is her calling. Take it away, Bethany.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, everyone. I felt a calling to go into nursing, and I knew I wanted to learn from professors who were going to support and encourage me. I found that here at LeTourneau University. Here, I am equipped to fulfill that calling. I transferred to LeTourneau as a junior and was nervous that I would have a hard time fitting in and making connections. From the time I visited campus, everyone made me feel so welcomed and involved. I have made some amazing friendships and have grown both spiritually and as a nursing student. The nursing program has allowed me to get a hands-on approach to learning, and with our new lab building and equipment, I've had so much experience already that I know will help me in my career. With the smaller class sizes at LeTourneau, I've gotten to know both my classmates and my professors on a personal level. There is such a strong sense of community here. There are plenty of activities happening on campus like sports events, school-wide chapel, and tons of clubs. I'm part of the Nurses Association and Nurses Christian Fellowship. Both of these clubs offer even more opportunities for me to be involved and to serve my community. The nursing program at LeTourneau has set me up to be a successful, compassionate, and capable nurse. I've had the opportunity to work as a nurse extern in a local hospital where I've gained real-life experience. LeTourneau University has been fundamental to me fulfilling the calling I feel towards nursing, and I am so excited for the opportunities to come. I gotta get back to my patients now. Back to you, Alex.
That's the best, Bethany. It sounds like you're already making a difference with patients in East Texas, on your way to fulfilling that calling of yours. Appreciate you sharing your story. That was great.